Alright guys, welcome back to the 4th update on Tropical Cyclone Darian, which has somehow re-intensified all the way, according to the ATCF, to 155 miles per hour. That is ridiculous intensification. Yet again, the storm has really got itself together. We saw hints of it rapidly intensifying again last night due to there being a well-developed eye wall and a really well-developed inner core on microwave imagery, and the storm has really actually kept that inner core well. It's managed to clear out an eye, and it's actually gotten even stronger at this stage. The storm has weakened a little bit though. It was at one point from my analysis also 155 miles per hour according to the open air model, which is what I use now to estimate storms. However, it has since weakened, so currently it's got maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. There's 130 knots, gusting with winds of 190 miles per hour. A pressure of 925 millibars. It is moving west still at 7 miles per hour. This is estimated by the open air model at 1500 UTC. Today, as the status update, brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So take a look at the estimates here. ATCF 155 miles per hour, JTWC 155 miles per hour, ADT 150 miles per hour, SATCON at 140 miles per hour, and the Curtis Simplified analysis using the open air model coming in at 150 miles per hour. Take a look at the JTWC forecast cone here, and we can see that really rapid intensification there. Kicking in. It's still moving west currently, but it's expected to start moving southeastwards and then southwestwards and weakening. So this storm has been alive now for quite a while, and it's somehow intensified to its apparent peak. I believe actually when it was peaking the first time, I believe that was a category 5 peak of 160 miles per hour. But we can see that very rapid intensification again, moving southeast very soon. It's going to start moving southeast, and it's going to start moving southwestwards. Take a look at the this is the open air model here. We can see it has weakened. The black line there, you can see the black line, that is the JTWC official where they have it currently, and we can very clearly see that the open air model says that it's weakened from its peak. The average has since weakened and it's gone down all the way to 130 knots at this stage. JTWC still saying it's 135 knots at this stage, but it definitely doesn't look as good on satellite imagery as it was. Yeah, as a 1500 UTC, the storm has since weakened to 130 knots according to the open air model. Take a look at some visible shortwave IR imagery here. We can see that really well defined eye there, really well defined inner core as well. The inner core was looking very good, like I was saying last night. We did have hints of it starting to re-intensify due to the eye wall, the microwave imagery. The eye wall actually regathered itself, and there was a very well-defined eye wall on microwave imagery, and it did manage to clear out an eye, and the cloud tops are around minus 75 degrees Celsius currently, and definitely worthy, I would say. It was worthy of 155 miles per hour according, like I said, to the open air model. It was at one point 155, but it has since weakened. Take a look at the true color zoomed out imagery here, and we can see still a really well-defined eye there. I don't think it's in the positive temperatures anymore, but at one point it was around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, so it was very warm. I believe it was warmer than its first peak, and that's likely why the JTWC put the intensity so high at 155 miles per hour. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Tropical Cyclone Darian. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.